According to Statista, the digital marketing industry across India is projected to go up to 539 billion rupees by the financial year of 2024. So if you are interested in digital marketing, this is the time, they say, now or never. I am Soheb and I am a student of AADME, Asia's best platform to learn advanced level agency based digital marketing education. I was frustrated, directionless and distracted. I was hoping to become a millionaire just by watching YouTube videos and buying at the rate of 499 courses. But after watching 2 to 3 videos of Alok sir in YouTube, I just felt a different connection with him and I was inspired by his motivation to teach the younger people of India to become self-independent and to implement the right way in digital marketing. The course has taught us fundamentals of marketing like unique selling point, building a buyer's persona, market positioning, then website development, sales funnel, e-commerce bootcamp, and everything in just 2 months, and so many more to come like Facebook ads, Google My Business, SEO and everything. And the way to hold a client for at least a 1 year by creating a healthy relationship with him. Now I can see the bright future and infinite possibilities within me, all thanks to AADME family. So if you are interested and you want to learn more, just click the button below and book a free demo live class.